To reset the EEPROM with your EZBoard, press the menu button, select Configuration, and scroll to the bottom and select Reset EEPROM. Older versions of the firmware may say Init EEPROM, but all latest versions will say Reset EEPROM. Go ahead and select this. Select Reset. And once you hear the confirmation beep, you can go ahead and select Back. Scroll all the way to the top. And that's it. Storing your settings. After you've made changes to your printer, such as acceleration, steps per millimeter, velocity, or your Z offset, you can go ahead and store those settings into the EEPROM by pressing the menu button, going to Configuration, and right above where Reset EEPROM is, you see Store Settings. Go ahead and select Store Settings. Once you hear the confirmation beep, your settings are now stored to the EEPROM. Acceleration. To change your acceleration values, press the menu button, select Configuration, go to Advanced Settings, and select Acceleration. You have different acceleration values for acceleration, retraction, travel, as well as max acceleration speeds. You can change any of these settings by selecting the one you want to change, pressing the menu button, and then rotating the knob clockwise or counterclockwise. Once you've changed acceleration, press the menu button to confirm, and make sure to store your settings afterwards. To change settings with your TMC drivers, press the menu button, go to Configuration, Advanced Settings, TMC drivers, and we have two different modes of adjustment. You can set your driver current or your stepping mode. Driver current controls how many amps your motors are getting. The defaults usually work, but if you're losing steps, you can go ahead and increase the values of whatever axis is losing steps by selecting it and turning the menu button clockwise. I recommend going up in increments of 50 and seeing if step loss goes away. Once you're done setting these values, make sure to store settings into your EEPROM. If you want to change the stepping mode of your drivers, you can go ahead and select stepping mode. And from this menu, you're able to turn Stealth Chop on or off. By default, X, Y, and Z will have Stealth Chop on, and your E1 will have Stealth Chop off. You typically want to leave Stealth Chop off for E1, as your extruder needs plenty of torque to push the filament. Anytime you make changes in any of these advanced configuration menus, make sure to go back and store your settings.